In universities, there exists a group of students who balance academic responsibilities with part-time job during their free time. This dual approach not only enhances practical experience, but also generates modest income. But how do we manage to harmonize studies and work? And what insight and lessons can we glean from their side hustle endeavors? Today, let's delve into the world of campus part-time students. On the snack street near the campus, we observed numerous small stores. Many students also take advantage of their free time to set up stores, gaining practical experience while earning additional income.
出摊时间一般就是有时要看课程，比如说今天没课的话，就中午考完80课，冰好之后5点钟出摊，然后到卖完为止。昨天是8点钟卖完，有时候做的多的话10点。因为他现在自己在家里面，他也是躺着睡觉，特别无聊，然后还不如把他带出来一起玩，他也可以被摸，他也可以笑嘻嘻的，比他在自己家里好。比如说到现在，我是去年大3开始课就没那么多的，然后就可以开始自己想干点什么就干点什么了。特别是现在大3下学期课就更少了嘛。
We have now arrived at the student dormitory. It is reported that some students can earn substantial income through online part-time jobs without leaving their homes. Let's take a look at how they manage to do this. These online part-time jobs enable university students to transform classroom knowledge and professional expertise into practical income, hone their professional skills, and gain valuable experience for future careers. Some students with entrepreneurial mindset even leverage their creativity and skills to develop small-scale side business online. Section
部分非常好。
Starter
肯定会首先优先我的专业课学习，然后呢，同时呢，我也会提前找我的机构老师来跟家长协调一下上课的时间。这段兼职呢，让我的大学生活更加充实，它也锻炼了我的表达力跟我的耐心，对我帮助我理解、传播，还有与人沟通，都实际上帮助都很大。我想说，想尝试的同学呢是可以大胆去做的，但我们要平衡好我们的学业跟兼职，要把我们的英语优势呢和时尚传播相结合起来，这样的收益会比我们单纯的兼职收益会更大。
Whether engaging in campus vending, part-time jobs, or online work, these students utilize such practical experiences to fill their free time in academic schedules, achieving a balance between studies and practice, while each gaining unique personal benefit. Independence, responsibility, and self-growth constitute the most significant meaning of part-time work. Finding a balance between learning and practice is their most valuable achievement. I'm Ivy, reporting for Fifth Dimension.